Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom characters and the new features in Hytale using mods. Now, this is a beginner friendly setup guide, so even if you have never used mods before, you will be able to do it very easily. So here is one important thing that you need to understand, that Hytale is in early access and modding is still growing, but you can already add some custom character contents like skins, models, and gameplay features using community mods. So first of all, you need to download the right type of the mod. So mod for the custom characters usually come in two categories. The first category is characters cosmetic modes like custom skins, outfits, or models. And the second is the feature modes like the new items, abilities, UI changes, or mechanics. So the easiest place to get these modes is with the help of CurseForge. So this is the website where you are going to see the main section for Hytale modes. So here, first of all, open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for curseforge.com. Now, once you are over here on the home page itself, you are going to see Hytale. So you need to first of all click on it. Now, after clicking on it, it is going to show you some of the latest modes associated with it. You can also click on the option of view collection in order to get or in order to browse all the modes associated with the Hytale game. So here among these options, you are going to see the option of wardrobe. So you can hover over to this particular mode. Then you can click on the option of install. So what this wardrobe is going to do, it is going to update wardrobes with a functional inventory. You are also going to see some other features over here, like we have this Violet's Furniture-ish, and then we have this Violet's Wardrobe. So it is going to add more customization options in the form of craftable cosmetics. So you can also install this particular mode. Now if you have already installed the Hytale game, you just have to first of all download CurseForge app from here. Then when you go to the modes and hover over to the modes, you just have to simply click on it and it will automatically start downloading in your device. So when you open the game, you will see the customization features in the game, so you can customize the characters and uh, all the things which you want to customize basically with the help of this particular mode. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.